of the only few all India pediatric liver transplant center of excellence. We have treated as low as a 10-month-old child with congenital liver problems, and the baby is still surviving, and now it is 3 years young. Standardization of ethics, then state-of-the-art operation theaters, NBE accreditation. We have accreditation for medical gastroenterology, surgical gastroenterology, and urology. 2 seats each since last 3 years. And super specialty services offered, as I told you, medical gastroenterology, surgical gastroenterology, GI and hepatic oncology, hepatology, liver care, urology, andrology, nephrology, dialysis, laser, laparoscopy, orthopedics, sports medicine, joint replacement, spine surgery, medical and surgical oncology, bariatrics, diabetology, endocrinology, internal medicine, all kinds of critical care, cardiology, cardiac surgery, neurosurgery and neurology, pulmonology, obstetrics and gynecology, ENT, pediatrics, plastic surgery, reconstructive surgery, emergency trauma, interventional radiology, dermatology, psychiatry, and all other associated services. So we have universal surgical robotic system, a state-of-the-art Versius robotic unit is there, brand new, and last 3 years it has been successfully operational. Next generation image guided cath lab is available. Philips Azurion 15-inch modular cath lab is there. Modular OT, HVAC, laminar flow is there. Endoscopic ultrasound, CRRT dialysis, HD bronchoscope, endobronchial ultrasound, holmium YAG laser, HD 4K laparoscopic unit. So pretty much state of the art, matching the Western standards. Everything is available at a fraction of cost in your hospital base here. So the panel of doctors, any hospital is only as good as the medical experts it boasts. So the leader of the team, our torchbearer, Dr. Govind Verma, the CMD of Pace Hospital, MDDM gastroenterology fellowship in US, interventional gastroenterologist, transplant hepatologist, pancreatologist, endosonologist with over 28 years of experience. So for any reasons, you can reach us to Pace Hospital 24/7. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. So if there are question, testimony, please. Mudassar. Can we have Mr. Mudassar testimonial? Yes. Because see, when you hear from one of your own, it's better understood.
Mudassar is my name. This is the testimony.
Can we give him a big round of applause for Mudassar?
How we know my name?
السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم جميعا. أول حاجة نتشرف بأعمامنا وخالاتنا جميعا. طبعا أنا مفسر خضر، عندي طبعا تجارب هنا في مستشفى بيس هوسبيتال. الصوت واضح يا جماعة؟ طبعا شق ما يكون في كلام كثير، بس برنامج حيكون لطيف ظريف، عاملينه شكل فرنشي. جمعوا بعضا لدكتور جوفين فيكاسا، وخاصة لأبو سيف ساني everybody إن شاء الله، ومشكورين جدا. فيكاسا thank you.
दीपिका, लक्ष्मी, सनी, सुबू एंड रोहन, प्लीज.
ठीक है ना? हॉस्पिटल का प्रोग्राम टाइम लगेगा, 1 घंटा लगेगा. ठीक है? किसी को फोन किया मैं पता देता हूँ.
रोहन. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. myself Vikas. Basically, I'm from Kashmir. I'm a Kashmiri guy from army family. So this is my small team, brother. In Hyderabad, from past more than 9 years, I'm in Hyderabad. So in our team, Deepika, come here. Come to, no problem. It's okay. It's okay, fine. No problem.
Send Sunny.
She is Deepika. She is taking care of our operation department. So 4 months back, she has joined Page Hospital. And she is Lakshmi. She is taking care of marketing department in Delhi NCR. So I will tell you one thing. In 4 main cities, we have our. It's not about. I'm not talking about our facilitators. These are PACE employees. So we have our employee in Chennai, in Delhi NCR, in Bangalore, and in Pune. So she is taking care of Delhi NCR, and he is Rohan. He is also from Hyderabad only. So these people, they would know Telugu. I don't know Telugu. So they are a localized people. So Rohan is also taking care of operations. So these both, they are from operation, and there are 2 more guys. One is Sunny, and one is Subbu. So Subbu is a Bengali person. He is taking care of Bangladesh patients and Bangladesh market, and Sunny is taking care of Africa. So this is our small team. So as I am from, I don't want to waste the time. As I am from Kashmir, and Kashmir is everyone knows tourist place. So in our veins, in our blood, there is only one thing: service. Because Kashmir 90% is tourist place, so we are depending upon the tourism. So when we were a child, so our people, our parents, our family members, we know only one thing: we have to do service. We have to give service to any customer or every. So I will give you. I will not say anything more. I will tell you only one thing. Service-wise, my team is best. That is my guarantee. I can write you also, because a lot of people know also about that. So service-wise, relationship-wise, we are the best. So this is because as sir also said, in starting, yeah, he is Sunny. Sunny is taking care of marketing, and he is also from Hyderabad, local Hyderabad boy. So because this is the first time PACE is doing this type of event. So starting recently, we thought about this event, and what we first we thought, shall we do this event in some 80 people will come, frankly speaking. But now we have crossed 90. So I think so. This space is not enough for next time event. So surely, and from core of my heart, I thanks a lot to everyone, because I know this is Tuesday and everyone is busy. So this is not you came for that for from our team. It's our responsibility to give you best, and surely we will give you. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Just one sentence.